WHMS News. We interrupt this program to bring you important information.
This just in, manufacturing is cool. Let's go over to our WHMS News reporters who are live on the scene at Elsner Engineering.
Good afternoon all. We are live at Elsner Engineering in Hanover, Pennsylvania, where some amazing things are happening in the world of manufacturing.
Here at Elsner Engineering, speed, efficiency, and reliability are the names of the game.
Elsner Engineering has been producing custom machinery for over 78 years. Elsner Engineering produces machines used to convert and package a multitude of products consumers use every day.
Elsner Engineering specializes in everything from machines that fold wrapping paper and tissues to building machines that organize medical supplies.
Wow, it sounds like Elsner Engineering is pretty cool. Let's go live with some of the great folks that are part of the Elsner team to see what it takes to work in manufacturing.
When you think about skills, you have what we call hard skills and soft skills. Your hard skills are job specific. If you're going to be a welder, do you know how to handle welding equipment? If you're going to be a CNC machinist, do you know how to run a CNC machine? Soft skills are of personal attributes like what kind of communication skills do you use? How do you resolve conflict? What's your decision-making process? How do you manage your time?
I enjoy welding. I like working with metal. It's a thrill to be able to make something with your hands.
Oh, the favorite thing about this job is the excitement of being able to work with exotic metals and to be able to take one piece of metal, which is a cutting tool, and cut another piece of metal. It's pretty amazing what you can actually do.
Manufacturing is so cool. It sounds like it takes some really important skills to work in manufacturing.
You're so right, Zoe. And it sounds like manufacturing is super rewarding and leads to a lot of great experiences and opportunities.
Thanks to our field reporters for giving us a behind-the-scenes experience into the world of manufacturing. Thank you to Elsner Engineering for showing us how cool manufacturing really is. Thank you to our sponsors.